Going on, Kingrelltv, man. Hey, look, make sure y'all like and comment and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell. But the video, man, I'm about to play, man, it's kind of grisly. So if you got a weak stomach, I don't advise you to watch this. So that's my warning. So if you got a weak stomach, don't watch this shit. But let's go on and get into it.
This is the story of our third birth here at the Elephant Safari Park of a little baby girl to be named Risky. This is Nikki, our third expectant mother this year at the Elephant Safari Park. We've been waiting now quite a few weeks for her to get round to giving birth, and it looks like tonight's the night. The back of her is now swelling up as the baby is moving into the delivery area, and we can just see the start of the embryonic sac appearing.
Whoa.
Nikki's very calm, doesn't seem to be in any distress whatsoever. She seems to know exactly what's going on. Here we can start to see the main part of the embryonic sac appearing. She's bearing down to try and hold it along its way. This is really starting to come out now.
It been like a big balloon with spit. Not
She's just
spit.
getting herself comfortable.
Something else, I don't know. What the fuck? Big ass
The
lip.
sac is mostly filled with fluid at the moment. This is purely like a bag of fluid, but here's the baby starting to appear. We can see the hind legs and the tail.
Oh, shit, right?
Squeezing down, here it comes. And wow, that's very quick.
All that blood shoot out of them like that?
Baby's hit the floor and at this stage isn't moving.
Good. They keep showing. Make them help with it.
Nikki very delicately steps over the baby there.
Where the hell the daddy at?
She's just looking at the baby and checking it out. At this stage, the baby appears to be absolutely lifeless. It's not breathing. She's very worried. And here's where nature is going to take its course. What is she going to do? She's kicking it, which would probably be the equivalent to a human slap on a baby's bum. She's very desperate to get it to move, to breathe, to get it to come to life. We've decided to leave her, to let her sort this out for herself. She seems to know what she's doing. The baby is still as yet not breathing. Trying to put its head up. And there we have it, the first breath from the baby, gasping for air. It's just over 2 minutes since the birth. Quite amazing. She seems quite happy with herself now. Nikki is now checking around to make sure
Already
everything's
got
there.
teeth? What the hell you see?
how Nikki wants her on her feet. She knows that in the wild there will be predators around. But it's very important for her to be up
I
on
used
her
to
feet and
think
stand
that
up.
they would get like hurt.
As soon as she can stand
I
and
see
see
they
she's
help.
safe. Baby's staggering, trying desperately to stand up. This slippery condition she's standing in, but she's up. She's finally up. You know, standing. Eyes staring out into this new world.
I think they stand up on their first
Here
day.
they are, the first few tentative steps. Shaking, but walking. Nikki, walking with them.
All three elephants have had their babies within minutes, very fast, no fuss, no bother, no
Bro,
screaming.
why are you out there?
Very, very simple.
Watching
The elephants know what
elephants.
they're doing and they don't really need a lot of help from us.
So that was the third birth year of the elephants at Boat Park this year. And certainly the most dramatic because it's the only one that actually caught the film. And after watching that, I can say that raising elephants can certainly be a risky business.
That shit is trifling, bro.